You know what I'm saying? We probably both looking at each other right now like we gotta raise each other up. But that's a great thing, bro. But you know what that means? That means that everybody's about to get rules up. Shit. Boom. Got another thought. I was feeding my cats. And yeah man. Ciao. Charge up. 2020 shit. Hey, so I was feeding my cats, right? And I noticed that they will like if I sit there and crouch down and like sit there with them while they're eating, like they'll be looking at me, and then I start petting one of them, right? That motherfucker will walk away from the plate and walk over to me and be like, "Oh yeah, would you pet me? Yeah, pet me, ah." And then they'll get some pet and then go back to eat. And then they'll come get some pet and then they go back to eat. Like, why would you stop eating and then come get pet and then go back to come get some love? I'm not gonna call it pet, cause fuck being a pet and fuck petting a pet. Like, what the fuck is that? Anyway, come get some love, you know what I'm saying? Some rubber dub, you know what I'm talking about? They come get some of that and then go back to eating. Why? Why is that? Because they're still eating. They're still eating. That's eating too. Getting love, getting attention is eating. You're feeding them. I'm feeding them when I'm petting them. If I just give them food, they still gonna be hungry. Huh? That's because that's the non-physical, that's the love, that's the energy, that's the frequency. Cats are said to be one of the organic animals. If you didn't know, just like we got fucking non-conducive and hybrid like people and shit, it's animals that these motherfuckers done made too. Just like plants that done gene spliced and made and shit. Oh, it's a lot of artificial shit that got created here and shit. Alright, so just like Steel Pulse will tell you they was cloning cats to make dogs and shit. You know what I'm saying? That's where I heard it from. And I fuck with Steel Pulse. So my man got fat locks. You know, the leader singer, all the niggas got locks with the lead. I forget his name. I forget his name. I don't want to say the wrong name. My man got fat locks. Look up Steel Pulse. And they still out here rocking shit too. Anyway though, cats are conducive to nature. Alright? Cats, I'm saying supposedly, alright? And I hope so. Because cats, look at the difference between cats and dogs. Cats can just do their own thing. They don't need you to fucking, you know what I'm saying, take them for like, just cater to them the way dogs do. Alright? And then there's dogs on the property where I'm at, where I be at with my cats. The dogs just come over there and just be fucking with the cats. They just come over there like, hey, what's up, what y'all doing? And we trying to scare them and shit. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is you doing? Let the cats have fun and you go do your thing. Or they'll come over here and try to eat the cat's food, drink the cat's water and shit. I'm like, nigga, you got your own water, your own food. That's not for you, bro. And then they come over there and just sit. They come over here and scare the cats. They can run up under the deck and shit, make them, go and hide in their little house. And then they just sit outside. Just sit right there in the kitchen like, yeah, I'm waiting. You ain't coming out here. You ain't about to have no peace. You ain't about to have no fun. Like, what type of shit is that? That seems like the type of shit these white motherfuckers be doing to the people in nature. You know what I'm saying? That sound like how just the unconducive with the conducive relationship. That's just how that shit always go. That's what it seemed like to me. Alright? So anyway, cats are something in nature, alright, that's conducive to the love frequency of nature, alright? So that's what I'm saying. This non-physical energy that we could be eating out here is fucking love. The cats eat the love. They showed me that. It's proof that it's non-physical nutrients out here to get. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shit. And that's only 3. Man, we about to just figure out something to talk about, because I got energy like shit right now. Let me see. Let me just scroll down. Let me go to the channel. Let me scroll down. Let me go down. Hi. I ain't even see it, but I just remembered the energies will follow you. I did that, right? The energies will follow you. Deal with your karma. Okay. Alright, the energies will follow you. Deal with your karma. Remember how I was saying, motherfucking all the shit we done been through as a people, all the little traumatizing shit? I said that shit stick with you. Huh? Same shit. The energies will follow you. Everything that you encounter, that shit, you were supposed to encounter it, alright? Just like I said, this is a cycle. This ain't the first time we done been through this shit. Where we had let the cancer in and then had to wake back up and then exterminate the cancer. You know what I'm saying? Because it feel good once you get healthy from being sick. You get to remembering, or we got to stay sharp. You know what I'm saying? It's just a cycle that we go through because it's fun to stay. It's a challenge for us. You know what I'm saying? And we, like I said, you don't want to get bored. You know what I'm saying? So, uh. So yeah, everything that we here experiencing, like when we're born into this, right now, like I said, right now we're here to do something. We're here for a purpose, all right? So everything that we encounter is for a purpose. It has a purpose to get us somewhere to fulfill our purpose, okay? So when I say the energies will follow you, the energies, the annoying ass people that you was around when you was born, your parents, your friends, your cousins, whoever the fuck it is, and you leave, you gonna find them energies manifesting somebody else on the whole other side of the earth and shit. Because you were supposed to deal with them, and it's part of your ancestral karma. It's part of your shit, your energetic karma that stuck with you through past lives and all that shit. You see me, you feel me. Same thing. What the fuck? Hey, huh? Nigga. We're gonna do another one. Cause I'm trying to tell you, once you get, and that's another thing. You talking about the spider being the symbolizing with the man. Look up what the spider symbolized, signified for the ancients. All right. When you dealing with real knowledge, it's a web. It's like a spider web. That shit connected. Everything is connected. Everything is one. Yeah, motherfucking when you talking about real knowledge, that shit applies in every aspect. Alright? Holla. What else we gonna do? Damn, I was talking about the quantity of food you eat back then. Hold up. Speak life into the fruit? Huh? I remember that video. Speak life into the fruit. What did I just say? The cats stopped eating to come get some love, get non-physical attention. Fruit. What does fruit do? Alright? Fruit is it grows and it's a part of this life cycle, alright? So when we give attention to nature, what happens when you go in your garden? What happens when you ignore your garden? What happens when you ignore your garden? I got the hiccups or some shit. What happens when you ignore your garden? Your garden don't do too good. You know what I'm saying? It don't do as good. It don't do as good as it could if you would, motherfucker. So what I'm saying is, gardens and plants and nature in general needs that love, that care, that attention. All right, that's that speaking life, bringing life. You know what I'm saying? Breathing breath and shit. You know what I'm saying? Also, what about the creation story where my man was like the earth was this, it was like, it was waters. I moved over the waters, upon the waters, and made the land or some shit like that. And he said something about moving on the water. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, females got that water, Slim. The earth is the females are earth. Earth is a big ass female. We in the womb right now, Slim. You know what I'm saying? We in Mama Nature, Mother Nature. Yeah, Queens. Man, hey, I'm trying to tell you. I'm about to... Shit, that was a nice ass horse. That water, Slim, I'm letting you know. Man. I feel good, man. I feel good, Sloop. Hey. I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, it's only 9 minutes, man. We gotta get shit cut. I need me a minimum of 20. Alright, let's go to another one. Who's still with me? Who's still here charged up? Who still want some more shit? Go get it. Hold on, let me. Hold on. Trying to tell you, bro. I'm about to. We are living a replacement reality. That's a short one too. Yo. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do all day just sitting around the house? down, quarantine, you know what I'm supposed to do. This whole system that we've been given, this whole life that we've been living, it's all a replacement for something. Mm-hmm. There's an actual mission that we're supposed to have when we come to this planet in these vessels, right? Before all of the chaos came, before all of the cancer came. Right now, we just gotta get back to that. Ain't nobody gonna tell us that's why it's important to be in self and be different.
Yeah, you can see me twice right now.
About everything, because right now we gotta come back. The original way of living has to come back through the original people.
See, that knowledge that I can see clearly right now. It was coming in pieces.
And original ways of thinking, which is not following nobody else's way. Creating it. I spent like an hour and a half this morning moving in the sun.
Yeah, I do that every day. That was just the first day.
Sharing lungs with the earth.
With the queen.
I was moving.
What I said? Replacement reality. I remember I was saying. Fuck! I just said. You just said it, nigga. All of this shit we doing right now is a replacement reality that we wasn't doing until the cancer came. Okay, and what the cancer's trying to do is make itself able to stay for as long as possible. So what I'm saying is this replacement reality that we live in. They trying to keep the body sick, right? They trying to keep the body sick, which means keep the system going. All right, which means their next step would be to get this whole martial law shit going and get their whole tracking shit and start getting everybody close as they can to robots and shit. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be their next step because like robots don't have to worry about fucking skin. They don't have to worry about being disinfected. All right, they're separate from that. They're like once you finally put that pacemaker in your body, or once you put that prosthetic leg or that artificial something in your or that glass eye, some shit, that shit can no longer be affected by the body. It's a separate entity from the body. It's inside the body. All right. So now, when you got something like that in this body, all right, they can put consciousness in these motherfucking things. All right, that's separate entities of the body, and the body can no longer affect it. Because like I said, robots don't got to worry about skin. They don't got to worry about fucking sunburn and shit like that. So these motherfuckers is trying to be out here getting everybody robotic. All right. First of all, they're gonna have all the cells being controlled by them, the entity that's separate from the motherfucking body. All right. And then that's how they trying to keep pushing this alternate reality that we live in this motherfucking sickness, because that means that they would keep the body sick, and then the cancer cells can stay, and then they can, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It all translates. So we just got to get back to helping the body do the thing. Do the thing. Remove that shit, Slim. Get back healthy. Get back healthy. You know I'm talking. You know I'm talking. I'm talking what I'm walking. Bro. Oh, and then, like, yeah, but just treat the queens right, bro. Like, if you got a queen already, just, man, you know how lucky you is, bro. It's hard to find one, bro. If you ain't got one, it's hard to find one, bro. I mean, maybe I'm in the wrong spot. I'm not in the most predominantly black place, I guess. I mean, maybe I'm Puerto Rico, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, bruh, treat the queens right. Tell them what it is, what's really good, and listen to them if they trying to tell you what the fuck it is, because they know. If anybody know, for real, nah, I ain't gonna say that, because like I said, queens, they done got, it's a whole different type of like war that they be putting on the queens and shit. Like they got a lot of, you know, and plus they hold on to that shit a lot better. I mean, not even in this case, it's not. Well, yeah, it's better and worse. You know what I'm saying? Because they, like I said, they more in tune with the emotions. They more emotional people. They more in tune with the energy and emotions. So that shit stick with them even more. So they probably got even more raises than a lot of us niggas out here.
And then they look at seeing all the bitch ass niggas that ain't even really raised up, you know what I'm saying? They looking at, a lot of queens looking at niggas like, we gotta get the niggas off their ass, you know what I'm saying? We probably both looking at each other right now like, we gotta raise each other up. But that's a great thing, bro. You know what that means? That means that everybody's about to get rules up. Shit. Yeah, I'm down. Hey, but I'm gonna keep. Hey, I'm trying to let you know, son. We about to be with it. Shit. Hey, you gonna see. Yeah, but just treat the queens right, bro. Like if you got a queen already, just man, treat. You know how lucky you is, bro. It's hard to find one, bro. If you ain't got one, it's hard to find one, bro. I mean, maybe I'm in the wrong spot. It's a lot of. I'm